Welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I will review Fine Vine's Activated Charcoal Scrub. To support my channel, please like, comment, share, and subscribe. I discovered this product searching for a good scrub on Amazon. It was made in the USA. The reason I chose this scrub instead of another one is because it's a natural skincare product and it claims to decrease all scarring and uneven skin tone. It's also for deep cleansing, exfoliation, blackhead removal, reducing wrinkles, minimizing pores, and cellulite treatment. To use, it says apply a layer of the scrub to damp skin with a circular motion. If desired, use a body brush to increase the scrubbing effects and to increase stimulation. Rinse off completely. If there is any residue left on the skin, wash it off gently with warm water and soap. It can be used for your face and body, but I use it more for my face. The salt is abrasive, so make sure you massage it on your skin very gently. Fine Vine claims the product is made with the highest quality natural ingredients. The main key ingredients of the scrub are Dead Sea salt, jojoba and coconut oil, organic aloe vera, and activated charcoal. Dead Sea salt is good for people who have acne and suffer from psoriasis. Jojoba is good at soothing irritated skin. Coconut oil is a good skin moisturizer. Aloe vera can remove dead skin cells from the face and body. Activated charcoal pulls dirt out of the pores and speed up the healing process of wounds and eliminates scars. I have fewer acne scars, but I can't say that this is the product that did this, but maybe it helped. I don't use this product regularly enough. The product is described as having moisturizing minerals and nutrients that will leave your skin soft and moisturized. It really does make my skin soft and it gives it a beautiful glow. It's hard to remove the product from the skin. It leaves charcoal marks on my skin, so I need to wash it multiple times to get rid of it effectively. It doesn't have an awful smell. It's hard to remove the product from the skin. It leaves charcoal marks, so I need to wash it multiple times to get rid of it effectively. It doesn't have a nice smell, but it doesn't smell awful. The smell goes away when the scrub is washed off. It claims to remove cellulite. Their product information page says to use it on your body by gently massaging your problem areas and watch your cellulite disappear day by day. I don't use it on my body for that purpose, so I didn't notice this. Would I purchase this product again? No, because of the way it causes a mess in the sink tub and on my skin. It gives me extra cleaning to do. If I would have tried a sample before buying this product, I don't think I would have bought the product. I tried simpler skincare products than this. If I want to use charcoal again for my face, maybe I will try a charcoal mask. If you have any questions about this product, leave a comment and I'll certainly reply. I would also love to hear about your experience with this product or another type of charcoal product. So feel free to leave your comments. If you found this video helpful, please share it with your friends and family. Don't forget to thumbs up and click the subscribe button to see my next video. Have a wonderful day.